Hi, my name is KAROLINA. I'm a tax professor at Warsaw University in Poland, and I specialize in legal and tax aspects of major sports events. In this short video, I would like to show you the World Cup as seen through lawyers' eyes. For football fans, the World Cup is generally an exciting game, but for lawyers, it is a complex commercial playground with hundreds of people involved, corporations, businesses, and big money. Given its unique scale and international character, the World Cup is an event that poses many challenges to the legal system of the host country. Most legal systems are not prepared to cope with such an enormous event and to respond to legal questions that may arise in the process of preparation and staging of the event. That's why FIFA, who already has a unique know-how regarding the preparation of the World Cup, requires certain legislative amendments to the legal system of the host country. The process of the legislative amendments itself is very interesting because it begins in the bidding phase when the applicant country bids for the World Cup. At this stage, the country has to guarantee to FIFA that it will change its legislation as regards, for example, protection of intellectual property, which serves to protect the trademarks of FIFA, taxation and customs laws, security, construction works, public spending, sale of alcohol in sports venues, immigration and visa entries, and many other. These requirements are made by FIFA for two reasons. First, FIFA thinks that the general legal system of the host country is insufficient for a successful operation. But the other thing is that FIFA very strongly protects its own position and the interest of its commercial partners and sponsors. That's why FIFA fights with something called ambush marketing, which is a very interesting phenomenon when a manufacturer or some other brand associates it with the event, in this case the World Cup, without being the official sponsor, which is without paying money to FIFA. This is something that undermines the interests of the official sponsors, and that's why FIFA requires the host country to very strongly fight against such ambush marketing campaigns and advertising around the World Cup venues. Another aspect of the World Cup is taxation, or better to say non-taxation. FIFA is such a strong negotiator that it is able to demand a tax-free treatment for the duration of the World Cup in the host country. The government has to guarantee before the staging agreement is concluded that there will be a so-called tax bubble created around the World Cup venues, which basically means that the event is tax-free and FIFA enjoys a tax-free status. Such a privileged position can be questioned, and it has indeed been questioned for the first time in Brazil, where a constitutional claim was filed by the public prosecutor. However, the Supreme Court of Brazil decided that the special legislation for the event did not infringe Brazilian constitution, at least as regards the general legislation, for example, regarding the exemption from court fees applicable to FIFA. The tax claim has not been decided yet, so we don't know. However, the expectations are that the Supreme Court will say that the tax exemption for FIFA is compatible with Brazilian constitution. However, this legal challenge corresponds with the public protests that we can see in Brazil, and that also regard the special status of FIFA. If you would like to know more, please visit my website karolinatetlak.com, which is full of publications on this topic, and I hope you will find them inspiring. Thank you.